Hi everyone, it's Heather from Loving Our Age, and let's talk today about the foundation of all of our outfits, and well, they're foundation garments. And hey, these are just my suggestions of mistakes, just my own opinion, but I know when it comes to our undies, a lot of us need a bit of a refresher course, so let's start with tip number 1. It's hot outside and you've decided to wear a summer dress or a skirt. You've got your regular undies on, but this might be a mistake because you forgot something. It's the lightweight cotton shorts to wear underneath. Did you even know these existed? These are great for that sudden kind of gust of wind to those lightweight dresses, but also they act as a barrier on our thighs from chafing. The last time I checked, you could get 4 of these at 51% off for just $24. And as usual, I'll have most of the items that I'm mentioning underneath the video description and also in the comments. And if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you'll find all my favorites, including that dress and a lot of other dresses and tops and housewares, even kitchenwares. Now, I mentioned how important it is for your look to have really good foundation items. But how's your posture these days? And I just consider that a mistake number 2 if you have poor posture, but how do we fix it? Let's take a look. As we hover over our cell phones or naturally slump, it can ruin our entire look and demeanor. It seems so easy to just roll our shoulders forward, but we can train our bodies to stand up straight with this great posture corrector for just $22. Now, you can wear it under clothes that are not see-through, or you can just wear it around the house over a top, I should say, on those days when you stay at home. It's a great way to condition yourself to stand up straight, and your outfits will look a lot better on you if you have better posture. And if you like videos like these made by a woman who's certainly not in her 20s anymore, I would love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Now, my next mistake happens when we are, us older gals, right? We're sneezing or we're laughing, and well, the embarrassing problem, right? Well, the mistake is that you're not wearing a pair of briefs like these. These are from Hanes rather, and they are light protection from leaks underwear. So you can see that they've got sort of the built-in padding for them, and you also get 3 of them for about $16. These are great to wear, when you're at a wedding or some event and you're doing a lot of dancing, or maybe you're playing a sport. Also, maybe you just have the sniffles and you're sneezing, but there's a lot of cotton in these, so they're very, very comfortable to wear. And you know what? They're kind of a necessity if you're on the aging journey. And talking about our aging journey, I know a lot of these changes, they kind of mess with your self-esteem and your self-confidence. And that's why I created the Ageless Transformation course, to really help you with that. You just find all the information at lovingourage.com/agelesstransformation. And, it's just a way, it's a 7-part masterclass, and it's a way to get your style and your confidence and your youthful vibe back. All right, still talking about aging, let's talk about shapewear. And mistake number 4 is just sort of thinking, oh, it's like a girdle, it's like a corset, it's gonna be really tight, I won't be able to breathe. And that's a mistake not wearing it, because they're so different than back in the old days. And let me just show you, this is my favorite one, I'll put it over here for you. And what I love about this shapewear, and it's only about $17, you can wear your your own bra on it, and it keeps your tummy in. And if you can see, there's some silicone here, so it really kind of grabs on and it doesn't roll up. It's available in a couple of colors, and again, it's only $17. So that's great for wearing underneath tops, underneath dresses. You don't have to wear them every day also. Just sort of wear them for those special occasions. Now, if you're the kind of woman that says, okay, that's great, but I really need to, you know, look after my thighs a little bit. So here is one with built-in thighs. And of course, that's going to help from the chafing as well if you're in a dress. Again, you can wear your own bra. This is only $18, and it comes in different colors. And I've had some questions in the comments, and yes, there's a little flap underneath, you know. That's good to have. And don't forget to stay with me until the end, where I always have an inspirational message for you. All right, so we talked a little bit about bras. Let's talk about mistake number 5. So when was the last time that you changed out your bra or you got fitted for a bra? Now, it's so important because a lot of women, they're thinking, oh, you know, I'm a 34B, and you're not. As a matter of fact, Victoria's Secret, a lot of times they have women that'll help you measure for a bra size, but if you're not near one of those, all you have to do is get one of these and measure just underneath your breasts all the way around, and you'll find your width. So that's like the 34 or the 36 or whatever. As far as the cup is concerned, there are different ways that you can figure this out, but basically take a look what you got. If you have a 34C, let's say, and it's just too small for you, why not run up a size? And the nice thing about Amazon is if just double check, but most of the time if you go up a size and you go, you know, I could still use a size larger, maybe a double D or something like that, they usually have an amazing return policy. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't mention my favorite bra right now, and it is the Warner's bra. And this one has a special kind of, the reason I love it is it's got a special kind of gathering here. And what it does is, you know, that kind of, we're talking about aging, right? The kind of flab that's underneath there, it kind of holds it in. And I have this, there's a little bit of padding on it as well. I have this in my skin color, and I also have one in black as well. Last time I checked, they were on sale for only $22. Now, I know when you're seeing this, maybe the sale's off, but that's an incredible price. Now, the other thing I want to mention about these bras is they are in like medium, large, and extra large. So make sure, and extra, extra large as well, make sure that you check out the size chart. Next, let's keep talking about bras, and especially the bandeau strapless ones. And if you're wearing something kind of flimsy like this, you're probably not really holding the girls in, so to speak. So let's take a look at something a little better. I love this strapless bra. Now this bra, it also comes with clear straps if you want to use those, but it's good enough not to use those, and that's what I prefer, not to use those. It does have padding, but it is removable padding, so you can take it out. And also, if you take a look here, you can see there's silicone all the way around, so that's going to really kind of grab you. And make sure that you look at the size chart for this, because it really is quite good as far as the size chart, and you want to make sure you get the right measurements. Now, wearing a bra like this, like let's say that you have a strapless dress, or you've got spaghetti strap dress, what you want to look for, especially for an event, is you want to look chic and elegant. And having no bra straps and wearing something like this, and it's about $28, it comes in 2 colors, is just the ticket. And talking about looking chic and elegant, you know, with those dresses and skirts, we need to have a pair of briefs or undies that are very, very lightweight and don't show those panty lines. I love these ones from Jockey. They come in a set of 3, so there's 3 different colors here. And I think for 3 of them, you get them for $39. And what I also love about these undies is that they're thin enough to wear wear underneath your shapewear. So they're so lightweight, and of course Jockey's been around for a long time, so they're very good quality. So I know, I get it, we're aging, our weight is shifting, you know, our bra sizes is changing, and we're afraid to sneeze. You know, but whoever said that aging is not for sissies, they were certainly correct, but I don't think that needs to be the narrative. You know, these days we do have Hanes, and they're putting out these, other companies too, of course, putting out these undies for when we're sneezing. We have Warner's bras, and you know, they're helping us with this underarm kind of flabby stuff that we have going on. And the shapewear is great as well. So let's kind of change the narrative on our foundation. So I'm really going to encourage you here to take a look at your undies drawer and throw out anything that's old, tattered, doesn't fit you anymore, doesn't serve you anymore. And just remember that when you're putting on your foundation garments, what you're doing is, it's the first thing that you put on, and it's so important for your look, and especially if you're going to a really special event. So I say, take a look, throw things out, maybe buy yourself something new. And to me, it's just one more way to be loving our age.